Oh, Milo. So I think on ES right now, there's a 1 hour breaker, high, low, higher, high, and I think now we might come and sweep all this low resistance liquidity here. So I'm gonna just be looking on the 15-minute, see if I can get a range, and if ES starts pumping, if I see a setup on ES, I'm gonna see if I can get a setup on NAS. So yeah. I think ES can give us a nice 1 hour close above this breaker. And I'd like to see the next 1 hour come back into this. Specifically here, 52,650.
Milo, get off. Get off.
Jesus Christ. Gotta get in your antioxidants. So I think NAS is probably gonna want to push up to these consequent encroachment of this wick. Yo, these dogs. Holy shit. It's so funny. Yeah, looks like YM might be going to the upside here. Hold on, maybe. I want to see if we can get a tap back into here as well. To this 5-minute inversion gap. If we take these highs before coming back down here, I don't really want to take this trade anymore. Because yeah, ultimately it might react off of this order block because of all this liquidity, but this is low resistance, so I can see ES coming up to 55.52. But I want to see this breaker hold. And let's see, we have SMT here. 10 a.m. yesterday, 7 a.m. today. 10 a.m. yesterday, 7 a.m. today. So there's session SMT here. ES took out yesterday's AM low. And I'm aware there's news at 10 a.m. So I'm gonna just wait. Might not get it set up till 10:50. But I'd like to see it trickle down. Maybe into here and then come up here. That'd be really nice. That'd be a banger. I mean, I definitely could have taken a sell here, but there was no entry. And I don't really want to try NAS yet. I want to see what ES does at this breaker here. Well, it's tapped a 15-minute breaker. But really, it was this one. So I just want to see how the 1 hour closes. I want the 1 hour to close above that breaker. Just in 9 minutes. So what NAS did here, took sell side, took these lows, took PM, June 25th low. Came in here, went up, inverted this gap, market structure shift, came back down into a discount. Pretty sure there's an order block here somewhere. Off of this propulsion block, boom, we're up. And I think now it's gonna head for some more buy side. At least to the consequent encroachment of the wick. And I think my narrative fits with ES as well, because we have ES in a discount here from this low to this high. Let's see. Yeah, we have, well, it's at equilibrium, but I can actually see ES going to all-time highs again, but I doubt it. But it is NFP, so let's see. NFP might be the real week that it reverses higher time frame, like daily. Might be from the what's up? Hits the draw on liquidity. You don't take the long. I'm taking it from the low. You sound like you're yelling at me. But no, I didn't take this long. Are you talking about you held the long from down here? You are insane. You took a long down here? Oh, and yes. You took a long down here? I mean, it does look pretty good. And it's macro time here. But that's not really a kill zone for, like, I mean, I guess. Damn, that's pretty good. Where's your target? I believe that ES is going to do something like this on the 1 hour. I hope it closes above in the next 5 minutes on the 1 hour and then comes back into the breaker. I honestly would like to see this inversion gap get tapped into again in the same 1 hour candle to see if we can get a nice big drop before taking these highs. So if you do experience some large pullbacks, just know I'm in there with you, and I do believe ES is going to take these highs. So don't close. Definitely don't close, because this is looking like a banger right now. I've seen this happen so many goddamn times. Yeah, YM is crazy. What is that wick? MNQ. Some would go short here. And I mean, it looks reasonable, but I don't want to take that. You have news in 5 minutes. I'd rather just wait for the 1050 macro. If you guys can keep building low resistance liquidity like this and just keep dropping, that would be amazing. That would be fucking amazing. That would be just glorious. My back hurts. Yeah, so NQ looks like it's dropping here. It's dropping pretty nicely. Yeah, I would have been done for the day here, honestly. But yeah, that kind of sucks. I mean, it's only like 20 points. But nah, I'm looking for longs here, mate. There's no point in trying to short the pullback. Nah, bro, don't close. Don't close. Trust. I know what I'm telling you. I know what I'm telling you is going up. Well, this isn't financial advice, but if I were you in that trade, I would not close. Especially since you already held it for so long. I mean, you just dug it out. It's going to reach these highs. Trust. Dude, market structure. It literally souped this low. Soups so low. Comes up, market structure shifts, forms a 1 hour breaker. If this was on the 1 minute, this is hitting. It has the inversion gap. We had all the sell side. We stop hunted inside the sell side. We're bound to reach for this internal liquidity here. So that would be the reason for I would tell you to not close. Because this is looking really nice. It's just ES is waiting for me to get into the trade. That's all that's happening. If I see a setup, even if it's up here, it doesn't even have to come back into this fair value gap. I'm taking it. Well, it can come back into this fair value gap, but it doesn't have to come back into this inversion gap. Inversion gap. Yeah, I don't really see NQ dropping. I do see it coming higher. So yeah. Guess right now it's just a waiting game. Well, M is looking kind of nice. I'm not even gonna lie. We have news in 1 minute. Yeah, we created equal highs on WAM. I mean, it's bound to get. I think I'm gonna go long on WAM. But there's news, damn it. I really want to go long on WAM. Let's see. News is probably gonna blast this up, watch. If we get a blast down, that'd be cool too, because that means we took out some more sell side. MNQ dropping, WAM dropping, ES dropping into the breaker. Yeah, I gotta wait, but that's a really nice drop. If I was a true gambler, I'd probably hop into the 15-second. Or the 5-second, because I think this thing is gonna blast. It's gonna blast off of here, watch. This is crazy what I'm doing looking at the 5-second, but I just wanna look at the analysis on the chart here. I'm not actually gonna trade this, but yeah. Inversion gap right here. Tap back into it. I think it's gonna take these highs. All this shit is low resistance liquidity, bruh. It's like destined to take it out. Might soup this low. The thing is, price is fractal. So I really like seeing price on different time frames, but I do believe it's gonna go higher here. Yeah, this price is on crack. This is crazy. $15-second. Dude, this shit is on crack. Like you said, because you can do your stop loss below the 1 hour breaker and it's safe for me when the candle close. Because you have a liquidity on algo, high liquidity, reach it, so you can execute it in the PA, go to the target with bulk volume. So below the 1 hour breaker. Yeah, I don't really trade like that. I wait for a setup to form in the breaker, because yeah, this breaker can hold right now, but price can ultimately still come back down further into a discount, because right now it's in a pretty deep premium. So it's likely to come down and grab some more liquidity to go higher. But so far it's definitely respecting the 15-minute breaker and the 1 hour breaker. But I just don't want to get in that. I'd really want acid to like come down to this low, or at least soup this low before going up. And Wham is blasting as well. Yeah, if I got an in, I would have gotten stopped to a tick. So guess who's back? So ES is slowly making its way higher. Soup this low. Came back into this order block. Rallied higher. Yeah, the 5-second chart is crazy. This is some crazy ass price action. Respecting this for value gap here. What's it saying on the 15-second? Absolutely nothing. I really wanted it to play around in the breaker for longer, but I guess it's just gonna, yeah, it's just gonna rally higher. Do we have any inversion gaps here? Nope. And we're in a premium, so can't really trade this now. Yeah, I'd have to wait. Nice. I really hope he come back into here. I wanted to trade below the breaker, but ultimately respect it. See this low to this high. We have discount or equilibrium at this 50% of the range. I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All of my change I spent on you. We're out of time's gone, baby, it's all wrong. We're not plans we made for two. Happy ever after the exit. I was still young and you like it. On a fairy tales I full of shit. I'm a fucking love song. Ooh. Alright, ES took the high. Nas hasn't taken the high. Yeah, I don't really know what to think here. It's looking like a no trade day, honestly. Like, realistically, it's looking like a no trade day. I really thought price was gonna want to come back deeper into equilibrium, but it just wanted the breaker. Well, I think there's still opportunity for it to come back down into here. This buy side imbalance. I haven't looked at the dollar in so long. It's really still in this range. Okay, so I might get in short here. I'm not even gonna front. Take Nas back into a discount. We have SMT at those highs. I think we can go in short here. Target equilibrium. Okay, I guess not. Well, at least we're seeing what we wanted. Let's look at the 15-second. Yeah, there wasn't really any trade either. If I'm being for real. Won't really trade there. Still respecting consequent encroachment. But I think it's probably gonna want to come back in here. Yeah, I'm gonna take this off so I can see a little bit more clearly. We got this 5-minute. Yeah, I want to see it bounce off of here. Well, anyways, it's a 5-minute busy. Yeah, it'd be nice too, because it could sweep this low. But either way, I'm still gonna take a trade on MNQ. But I would like to see this low get swept. I would like to see a turtle soup here. I don't know if I want to sell here. I mean, it looks decent because I think it still has to make its way back down to a discount. I have a 44-point stop. I don't know, I think I should skip the sells here. Something's wrong with these dogs, bro. Tapped it right back into the breaker. Damn, I was really hesitating because I was looking at ES and I was like, if it inverts this gap, I think I'll get in. Nah, it's too low. Nah, that's too low. I should have just taken it up here, but that's okay. That's fine. I don't really think it should displace here. I think it's still going lower because it has to go back into a discount. But as of right now, it's making its way up here. It's really respecting that breaker. I might go long here. think this is the only time I'll take a trade in a premium because we have a breaker on ES on the higher time frame. So if this gap gets inverted, I'll look for a buy here. Here on NAS. It inverted on ES. The fuck is that noise? Feels like some yeah, I mean, I could have taken it on NAS. Coulda, shoulda, woulda. Let's see if this fair value gap holds. Because I can see it going down because it's in a premium, but I can see it going long because ES was in a breaker. So I could probably do something like this. It reacted off of the 50% right here. I doubt it's gonna hold. I might just wait for macro because I am uncertain. See if this order block holds. Most likely won't. It's in a premium. ES respecting consequent encroachment of the gap. Kind of want to try it long here. Well, alright, I'm gonna just wait for this low because it looks like it's gonna come for it. Okay, but what is this, bro? Now I'm really starting to question, what the fuck is this? It's not respecting anything right now. And that was news. Yeah, I'm not forcing anything here. No, sir. If I were to take a gamble, I'd say it's coming to this low, but this is gonna be a beautiful buy. I can already tell. I think one thing I've come to terms with is I don't need to be in every buy or sell. If I have a narrative, I can just wait for it to play out. I don't have to be a part of every single move. If there's SMT, if there's SMT here, that would be even better. If Nas doesn't take the low. But ES does. Here, I'm gonna send an alert right here. Just drop Nas, just do it. Well, there goes my idea for longs. No. So there's SMT with at 1012 and 1024. I mean, there's no SMT. That's what I meant. I'm not trusting this gap just because it keeps coloring inside and outside of it. So really just waiting for macro. Milo, shut up. Wait till I'm done with the trade. Dude, my dog used to be scared of this little puppy. And then now he just keeps biting her. Yeah, it's looking like a no trade day, man. Unfortunate. Well, I can't really talk yet. We still have 10 to 50 macro. I'd like to see these lows get turtle soup.
Milo, stop.
Fucking hell, man. This dog. Stop, bro. Yeah, YM is just consolidating. Maybe macro wants to drop, but I doubt it. And I wouldn't want to take a sell. So I guess I'm gonna just look for a buy here in on ES. But it just wouldn't make sense, dude. We're just too high up. Which, don't get me wrong, this could definitely just hold and then keep going up for this high. And then NQ, I might take a buy here on NQ. Might. Keyword might. It's not macro though. So I'm gonna just watch price and let's see what macro does. But right now we've inverted the gap. Yo, hold on. Like, damn. I know it's in all good fun, but holy shit, chill out. My dog is crazy. So we're about to have more SMT here. I guess for once in its fucking life, this fair value gap, inversion gap held. Nas just reprices every second of its life. I'm getting a demo buy here. Stop loss below this low, I guess. I want to see these highs get taken. I just want to scratch the itch, you know. I want to see those highs get taken. But really just waiting for 1050, which is in about 20 minutes. I'm gonna keep in mind though. Oh yeah, tomorrow is Wednesday the 3rd, and the 4th is Independence Day. So most likely I will not be trading tomorrow, but I will stream because I have time. But Independence Day, no trade day, and days before the holiday is a no trade day. So you just want to keep that in mind. But I'm off this demo buy because of this imbalance right here. I like to see these highs get taken. And I know I'm always preaching don't buy in a premium, but because this could easily come back down here and create all these highs just for macro. So Let's see. We got this inversion gap here as well. Please stop me out of this demo trade. Like I really do want those highs to stay open just so I can take them during macro, but they're not cooperating, you know? It just wants to keep going higher without giving an entry and coloring outside all the fucking lines in the world. I really wanted this low to get souped. I wanted this low, man. Because right now it's just playing in a premium. If Nas could drop here, that would be incredible. If Nas could drop all the way to 20,020, that would be incredible. That would be just... But I guess it wants to go higher. There it goes. That's tough, isn't it? Is there SMT? Yep. Well, there's SMT now. Only with this high. Let's see if I got in right here, right? 24-point stop. 35 point. Yeah, I wouldn't have. I would have probably gotten break even here. Because I mean, I would have wanted at least this low. That's low hanging fruit. Because like low hanging fruit is like the closest low. It's not the closest order block, bruh. You know what I'm saying? It's like the closest low. This is low hanging fruit because this is in almost this is that equilibrium. So yeah, I'm not mad about this at all, but I'm just mad about having to wait all the goddamn time for macro. But you know what? It is what it is. I'm gonna start jittering. Ooh. Yeah, I'm gonna start jittering here in a second. Damn, this is moving really bad. But ultimately, I want these equal highs. Boom. Whoops. Boom. If macro can come back down into this order block, it doesn't even need to take the low. It can just come back down into this order block on the 15 minute. That'd be nice. But inside of here, there was absolutely no trade. I mean, this is just horrendous. And you can say this was a trade right here long, but I mean, it just respected consequent encroachment, but it's in a premium, bro. It's in a goddamn premium. But I mean, if you want to go like from this high to this, from this low to this high, like it reached into a discount, but nah. Here's the thing about breakers though, like you're always gonna be buying premium with the breaker. Like especially if you're on a range like this. Obviously higher time frame, we're still in a discount. But I mean in the premium range, in this range, you know what I'm saying? In this range, from this low to this high. And this really sucks because I thought we were gonna get a nice trade here. We still can, but the thing is, we might, if it comes back into this order block, Say it comes back into his order block, right? It comes back into his order block. We have to wait and see if it holds. Because these lows can definitely get souped if it wants to go higher. So really just waiting on this 5-minute order block here. We're waiting on that order block and waiting to see if these lows get taken too, which I think they will. So I'm gonna be wary. Is that a word? Wary. Oh. That is not what that means. I'm kind of illiterate. I'm gonna be aware, is what I meant to say. YM doing nothing of significance, as always. It might invert this gap. Hold on. Took this high, came back into here. Where are we on the higher time frame? We're at this wick. Tapped up 50% of that wick. Took all these highs. Didn't take this high though. This looks like a nice sell, but might be slowly making its way higher. Oh, and there goes MNQ. That sucks, man. I guess my entry was on point. Let's see, how many points is this? Like 25? Yeah, I could have gotten a trade here, but I'm done buying in premium, bruh. Plus, look at that wick. God damn. Let's look at the 15-second. Let's look at the 15-second here. Y'all seeing this? Y'all seeing this absolute buffoonery? This would be a nice short, I'm not even gonna lie. But I might get cooked if I do that. So I'm not gonna do that. Yeah, I'm not trading the 15-second, bro. I'm just keeping a look at the 1 minute. And looking at ES. Still making its way higher. Yeah, it looks like any buys are going to be in premium right now. Unless it wants to reprice to this order block. Which would be nice. I would like to see that. Very nice. Well, I guess you can argue right now that the range is from this low to this high. So, comes back into here. Might find a trade there. Where did it wick off of? This cheeky little order block there. I still believe it's going to want to go higher. But I mean, it just filled in the gap. So, but ES has all these highs right here, so I'm still bullish. Imagine I sold this. Imagine if I sold that. Imagine. I kind of want to sell to these lows. You know what? It makes sense. We're in a premium. But yes. but ES. Wow, it immediately rebalanced this. Basically saying, Keenan, you're not getting in. I don't know, let's see if it reaches this gap here. I might go short. Let me take this off. Yeah, I think it's gonna want to come to these lows here. No diddy. Well, there you have it. Huh. Wow, ES is moving. Nas not so much. I think you can expect these lows to get ran through. I think that is a valid expectation according to my calculations. But so far, this inversion gap doing some work. Took sell side. Oh my goodness. Jesus, Nez. Yeah, I don't really know what to trust here yet, but holy fuck. Alright. Well, ES is back into the gap. See if it inverts it. Probably. Tap the 15-minute order block. Jesus, mother of God. I might take a 15-second breaker here. Unless this fair value gap holds. Yeah, it held. Okay. So at this point, I do want to see these lows get taken out here. So we can have a nice run up at macro. Yeah, this is amazing, but that sucks because I wasn't expecting that. Bro, I mean, if you looked at this wick and then you saw this big ass candle, yeah, no, I'm good off that. I'd rather just wait for my buys real quick. Let's see if we can soup these lows and these lows right here. I want to see ES come back down into a discount here. Specifically this 5-minute gap. But I don't know how well it's gonna hold. Okay, it's almost macro. Still respecting this 1 minute gap, inversion gap. You have some SMT right now. Yeah, I don't want to force a trade, but I like the way ES is still respecting this gap, this order block, everything. NAS doing the same, came back into a discount. Never gave an entry though. Not even the inversion gap. Might take a trade here. It's just so fucking high up. Here, yeah, I think it's time. I'm gonna send alert for right here. I'll put 1 minute. Let's see if it comes back into here as well. Let's look at MNQ. What? I didn't set that alert. Yeah, I want that high. C and Q. Yeah, we have SMT at these lows. It's macro. The only thing is this is a premium, so I am taking that risk. But I think I'm okay with that because we're inside of a 1 hour breaker. And so far we're still respecting order flow. So I think we're good to take this high now. Yeah, I'm not having more than a 25 point stop here. So if it doesn't give me that, if it doesn't give me this for rally gap, yeah, I'm good. I'm gonna just go in one contract. Well, tap the inversion gap. Looks like I'm not getting filled here. I feel like this is such a bad trade. Like, we're so high up. No, I'm gonna take this off. I'm gonna see how it reacts, and if I like it, I'm gonna get in. But it just looks like such a bad trade right now. And if it wins, it wins. It doesn't matter. The only reason I'm extremely hesitant right now is because it came back, bounced off the equilibrium and this inversion gap, but it's still in a premium. And I'm just really confident ES is going to take those highs, but right now they're moving inversely, and that is, yeah, this is crazy. I didn't want to just get in to get in, you know. I'd rather follow my system. See YM. Okay, so YM actually ended up dropping. I literally. How many points was this? 50 points? Not bad. Yeah, it's looking like a no trade day. No trade day. How much is the risk on ES here? Well, I'm not using the regular ES. Let's say if I took one contract. How many handles is this from here to here? 5.25. So it's right here. I could have risked like 2 contracts maybe. 2 or 3 micro contracts. But it's not worth it. I mean, I definitely see the price action here. It's beautiful. Hindsight, but there's no entry. Like, there was no entry at all here. At all. No entry at all. If you want to look at the 15-second, there wasn't even an entry here. This is just funny. There's a 15-second breaker as well. This is just funny. No 1-minute trades here. This is laughable. Immediate rebalance back into the order block. Makes sense. Where are we on this range? This high to this low. Yeah, we're also in a premium higher time frame. But it looks like it's gonna complete the market maker buy model here. There's a sell side of the curve, and now we're on the buy side of the curve. This is also a breaker. Bruh, you know what? Hindsight, that's actually pretty nice. But the fact that there was no SMT, there was really no entry here either. That just made it 10 times worse. And if I took a trade, I'd probably... It would have probably been a forced trade. It's just shitty price action, honestly. Like, yeah, it bounced off the breaker and everything. I mean, I guess this was the only entry here on ES. I guess, yeah, that was the only entry. But still, this is just shit price action. Looking like a no trade day for me. And I honestly would not want to force any shorts here, because this is the market maker buy models in play. And you don't want to force any sells in a buy program. So, and my whole narrative was bullish today. So there's no point in trying to short something that's just not there. But yeah, I mean, 15-minute, 1 hour, this is beautiful price action. But on the 1 minute, this is just disgusting. This is despicable. I mean, yeah, it bounced off this inversion gap twice, but nah, bruh. We have equal lows. There's literally no SMT on ES or NAS. No trade, bruh. No trade. Let's see. I think it would definitely have some sort of reaction here. Okay, well, it tapped into his civvy on the 1 hour. But yeah, I'm not forcing any shorts, bro. At least I don't want to. Like, I don't want to force any shorts. Like, it just wouldn't make sense. Like, this looks like a short here, but I don't want to. I don't want to force it. Imagine this is a turning point for these equal lows. Just imagine that. Let's see. If I get cooked here, if I sell this short and I get cooked, I give y'all permission to clown me. Because I've literally said so many times I don't want to force a trade, I don't want to force a trade. But if it even goes below that. Okay, now it's just bullish. This shit is just bullish. This shit is just bullish. I mean, there's nothing really you can say about it. This shit is just bullish, mate. Nah, but I definitely want to see the way it reacts off of this high and this inefficiency here at 2140.75. But yeah, this is beautiful price action right here. Sell stop raid, come up back into this breaker on the 1 hour and the 15-minute. Rally up back into his order block. But there's just shit price action on the higher time frame chart. You know what's crazy? I didn't even look at the 2 minute on NAS. Let's see if I was lacking. Let's see if I was caught lacking. Nah, I mean, there's really no trade here. I guess this. You know what? Maybe I could have taken a trade here for sure. Like here, off this 3 minute imbalance. Fuck the 1 minute. Maybe off this 3 minute imbalance, but yeah, that would've been nice. But hell nah. Like, it should. I mean, it makes sense, like, why it's going up still, but this shit isn't a premium, dog. And just from my experience, I always get cooked trying to buy in a premium. So no way, Jose. I was only gonna take it if it had a clear setup, but this just wasn't clear. There was no SMT, no sell stops are rated other than this. No SMT at all. Like nothing. Like this shit was just ass. I mean, look at it. It's just accumulating, consolidating. I mean, it just doesn't make any sense. I might come back on PM session. I'm still waiting. I'm still waiting. Bro, talking about SMT with YM. Man, that's some bullshit. Fuck you mean SMT with YM? Man, fuck YM. Alright, well, let's see, Naz. What you got? Man. Imagine I held my short. That would have been crazy. But I'm not that good of a trader yet. I want to see this imbalance. Let's see it do something here. But look at the daily candle, dude. I think I'm going to just call it a day. I might just call it a day. YM is closing a doji. ES still struggling to take these highs. MNQ not giving any entries. Like, bruh, if I were to take, let's say I took this entry, right? If I was going to take this, my stop would have had to be 44 points. Like, dog. Maybe not 44 points, maybe like 38 points, but still. This shit, no, I'm not doing that. Fuck. The fuck? So there's some SMT with Naz and MNQ right now. Fucking Naz and ES, I mean. And my computer's lagging because it's about to die. God damn, I hate streaming. But I do it for the culture. 1 hour. Yeah, this shit is ugh. I was targeting CE of the wick, but god damn. Maybe it'll take this candle high and drop. Cause it needs to pull back. But it's a market maker buy model. I don't know. This is the most indecisive I've been in a while. And I can tell. I'm mentally struggling to comprehend this right now. Just because, like, why the fuck couldn't it give a clear entry? You know what? I'm just put it behind me. There's no point in thinking about it. So I think I'm gonna call it a day here. So no trades day. Where's the little thumbs up? Let me see a little thumbs up here. Boom. No trade day. Boom. Damn, that's the biggest it goes. That's tough. No trade day. Unless I just want to see. I'm not saying I'm gonna take anything. I just want to see. I'm still waiting. I'm still waiting. Come on, Naz. Take this high. I just want to see what it does. I don't even want to trade you. I just want to see what you do. You're like 20 points away. Just hurry up. Maybe it's waiting for 11:50 macro. No way I'm on stream for that long, bro. Hold on, you know what? I'm gonna thug it out. I'm gonna stay on till 11:50 macro. I'm thugging it out for the culture. I'll be right back. I'm gonna get a charger for my computer because my shit is about to die. Damn, bro. Oh shit. Let's see, ES. What you doing? Okay, so it took the high. Took this. No, it didn't take it yet. I just want to see. How long you been trading? I've been trading. Well, I got introduced to trading in December of 2020. And I started ICT trading in May. I think it was May 20th of last year, 2023. And yeah, I haven't looked back since then. And honestly, bro, like, this shit is just getting clearer and clearer every single day. I mean, I didn't even have to do much analysis to see that this is a breaker right here. And shit just went up. And I think I'm finally starting to be more disciplined because if I don't see a clear entry for me, I'm not taking it. Like, there's no point. Like, why would I force something here? Like, obviously, Nas is going up, right? But, like, why would I force something here if I don't see anything type shit? Or, like, I do see something, but, like, there's no point in trying to force a trade that, like, I say, don't buy in premium. I'm not buying fucking premium. I'm not doing that shit. And I know that breakers, usually, they are in premium of range, and usually they don't come back all the way down. But I gave ES that leeway to come down. Let me show you. I gave ES leeway to come down to this 5-minute gap to take these lows, but it just never did it. And I didn't see that, so I didn't trade it. It just kept going up, you know? So it is what it is. I just went on a rant there, but you get my point. What I was really trying to say is experience helps you with, like, if you ever feel like, oh, I'm never gonna be disciplined, like, experience handles that. Like, you're going to eventually. You just gotta get sick and tired of your own bullshit. But I'm gonna be back because I gotta charge my laptop. My stinking dog chewed up my cable, so that kind of sucks. Really? You're not taking the high? This is what I'm talking about. It'll almost take the high, come all the way back down into a discount. I pray to God it does that. If not, I'm cooked. because then I just can't trade. Bruh. Alright. We are charging. Boom. I love that my computer just. Yeah. So, let's see if we have SMT here. 3 o'clock high. Oh, there's hella SMT already. Let's see, what is this? 12 p.m. June 28. 11 a.m. June 28. 12 p.m. 11 a.m. Yeah, so see 3 a.m. July 1st. 3 a.m. July 1st. Yeah, so there's hella SMT here. MNQ is obviously going a lot higher here. I mean, realistically, it doesn't even need to take this high. Huh. But I'm pretty sure it will. I'm pretty sure it will. Okay. Okay. Bro, if ES, okay, so it hasn't taken the high. If ES takes these lows at macro, if ES, okay, because I'm aiming for this high here. And it hasn't taken it yet. Let's go. Okay, so if ES comes back all the way down here, forms a setup, I'm going to be looking at NAS for some longs. How you make your trading view looking like this, because mine is looking with red and green. You got to go to your chart settings and change it to whatever color you want. So just double click on the candles. You can change the wicks, the bodies. But yeah. So just soup these lows, still respecting this gap. I feel like a gambler the way I'm still sitting here. The way I'm still sitting here. But let me take some of this off. I'll keep this on because this is the last inversion for value gap. I'm gonna take this off. Yeah, no problem, man. I'm going to take this off. See the 1 hour. I'm gonna take this off. I would absolutely love for this to come back down, just to come back up. See the 1 minute. Yeah, so eventually it's gonna invert this gap and go lower here, potentially down here. But we got about 30 minutes for macro, so if you're a beginner at trading, are you doing lives every day? Not every day. Not every day because I have work, but you know, usually I trade Mondays and Tuesdays live, and then Wednesdays sometimes. But after that, like I can't really go live because I have work in the morning. But if you're a beginner, I would say, damn. First of all, you gotta really ask yourself, like, do you really want to do this? Like, genuinely ask yourself, cause I'm gonna keep it a buck with you, bro. This shit is hard. I'm gonna keep it 100 with you. This shit is difficult. If you're a beginner, number one, stay off of social media. Like, don't look at any like Lambo Raoul fucking Mamba FX. Like, lock in. And obviously you're here, so you know about ICT. So I think his market maker primer course. I think this course. There you go. Boom. What the fuck? The fuck is this? So I can't even watch it. Okay, well, for some reason I can't watch the video, but if you see, just look up this playlist. Yeah, so it inverted this gap pretty nicely. That would have been a nice sell. Damn, Nas cooked. Nas cooked. Nas cooked. Damn, that would have been a quick 20 points right there. Nas is cooking, bruh. This is what I like to see, though. Alright. If ES can take these lows right here. If there's SMT, this is going to be even better. Yeah, if there's SMT, this is going to be even better. Well, there's SMT here, so I wouldn't expect this low to get taken out. But I am still bullish. If Nas can turtle suit this low as well, that would just be amazing. And I would just wait for the buy. Because I'm bullish. There's no point in selling right now. Although this was a very, very nice sell off of this inversion gap. I saw it coming. We pretty much all saw it coming here. Pause. But yeah, I'd rather just wait for the buy here. Okay, so we have SMT with this low and this low. Actually, we don't. Oh, never mind, we do. Okay. Yeah, check it out. Check it out. I mean, it took this high out though. Did it? What's the high of this candle? 130.50? What's the high of this candle? 131. So it did take it out. This is interesting now because 11/15, June 28. Yeah, 11/15, June 28 is over here. Huh. Yeah, this is interesting now. Alright, no bullshit. If it comes up to here, I might sell it. Oh. Oh. I think market's cooked. I think the market is cooked. What was the reason? Like, genuinely, what was the reason? I think the market's cooked. Yeah, I think I'm gonna hop off, bro. What was the reason? Like genuinely. What was what? Yo, I am so confused right now. So we have SMT. Yo, I'm so confused right now. So we have SMT, but I want to see this high get taken. What the fuck was that? There was no news. What the fuck was that? Is Powell speaking? Is this motherfucker still speaking? He's not speaking anymore. What? What was the reason? Yeah, this is really looking like a no trade day. Unless we take these highs and come back down here. But like I said, I don't want to force that. Cause shit like this can happen. Yo, my computer's overheating. I can hear the fan running. I'm gonna close some tabs here. I might even close my broker, bro, cause I don't wanna accidentally click the buy button here. But look at this big ass gap, bro. What the fuck? Yeah, I mean, it has to take this high out. So, until ES takes that high, I'm just looking. Yeah, after this macro, I'm done, bro. I am not sitting here for another fucking hour. Ugh. Bro, I fucking hate price action so much. Like, can you just take the goddamn high already? Yo, I'm so tired. There you go. Fucking hell. Alright. So now that ES took the high, Nas might run into this as well. Don't you love when Nas just doesn't give you an entry? Or at least a solid entry. Look at the 15-second here. But like, realistically, there shouldn't be a setup right now, so definitely we'll wait till 10:50. But I just want to look at the 15-second, the way it's forming, and all that. So yeah. Alright, 15-minute gap right here. Of course, they're just pushing through it. Almost at OTE. It can still come all the way up here, and here, and here. So I don't think selling is a move, man. Let's look at the 15-second here. This is low resistance liquidity here. Looking at the 5-second is wild. But she dumping. You know what? I'm gonna anticipate a stop hunt here. If damn, that was actually SMT. There's actually SMT there. So I think I'm gonna go short. but this might be a stop hunt. Hmm. I don't know, it's 8:35. I don't want to trade just a trade, but this looks kind of decent. This does look kind of decent. I won't lie to you. Okay, maybe we can stop hunt. Alright, let's see this. From here to here. Yeah, my shit lagging like a motherfucker. Tapped OZ. Yeah, close above this gap, so might be a stop hunt here. This would actually be decent for a stop hunt. And if there's SMT, that's even better. Because we're approaching macro. Okay, I really hope there's SMT. I really hope we have some SMT here. Okay, I'm kind of confident in this trade as we're approaching macro. Up to 5 second is crazy. Let's look at the 15 second. There's a SMT with Naz. I wanted to close below here. I can wait like 5 more minutes. I don't have to hurry into this trade. But if I'm gonna go short, I need it to close below this gap. Let's see. I might have an alert here if ES ends up taking the high. But as of right now, there's some bearish SMT. I'm not asking for much. I just want to take it back down to a discount. But there is also the possibility that we reach consequent encroachment of this gap. So I'm not taking anything just yet, as I am aware of that. We also have OTE right there, so yeah, just because the first time I took a trade on the 15-second chart doesn't mean I'm always gonna win them, so I'm not doing that. I'm gonna just wait for my confirmation. Okay, I have way too many lines on my chart. I'm taking this off. I'm leaving this on. I'm taking this off. See the 1 minute? Okay, that's better. I want to see consequent encroachment get tapped here. So we're almost at consequent encroachment. We have 79 here. Let's see. ES took the high. This kind of looks good here. And I missed the trade. It's a 15-second chart though, bruh. Looks like it's reaching for this gap here. Okay, I want to see ES close below this. Okay, I'm gonna take
Order
this
filled.
contract short. I'm gonna just try it out.
Back. Sliding. Door.
Am I trading with real money? Yeah. Just want to try this out here. I mean, this is the 15-second chart, so the reason I'm trying this out is because it's almost macro time. You feel me? And I think this is a turning point. I might be wrong. But yeah, I'm extremely low risk right now. If I can get it close below here, I might add another position. Okay, well, it closed below. Let's see, ES. If I can get it closed below ES. I want to add another position here. If it respects consequent encroachment, let's see. I'm gonna add a position. Well, I can't anymore. I wanted to add a position here, but I guess not. I think I'll just aim for this low right here. And this is looking like low resistance liquidity there. Don't want to add a position just yet.
Order
I'm gonna add
filled.
another position right there. see if we can get 118. Still respecting consequent encroachment. Or not respecting it, but close below it right there. Now we got this volume imbalance. It should drop from here. I don't like how it's stalling, so if it comes back to my break even, I'm gonna just take it off. Cause this short looks like it's being short-lived here. Alright, it shouldn't come higher than this. It should drop from here. It needs to close below 133. And if it doesn't, I'll just cut it. I mean, this is just bullshit. Look at ES. This is looking like trash. Like, even if this trade wins, this is a trash ass trade. Look at all this accumulation, bro. Alright. Almost took out this low. I'm really aiming for just down here. So like from this low to this high is like the 50% of the range right here. No SMT. This is a breaker. Came back into the breaker. We should have a clear shot down here.
Order filled.
And I'm out the trade. I wouldn't say this is a nice trade, but this is just following order flow, and yeah. Took off at these lows, low hanging fruit, pretty good trade. I wouldn't say it's nice, I would say it's decent, it's alright. But yeah. I could have held maybe to like the midpoint of this gap. ES took the low. This was about 25 points. That was about 25 points there. Damn, I could have held low key. It's alright. W trade regardless. Regardless of the emotions and everything, but ended today in profit, so yeah. That was my one and only trade. And I'm so tired from just sitting here. I'm just going to show the P&L and I'm out of here. So there's a P&L for today. $100. I didn't put on too much risk because I was trading a 15-second. And yeah, so my whole narrative today was bullish. But I guess I just wanted to get a trade in. I'm not gonna lie to you. I just wanted to get a trade in. We had this 15-minute gap here. We had these highs as well. I waited patiently. Saw a 15-second displacement. We had a 1-minute displacement as well. The only thing I was worried about were these equal highs right here, which is low resistance liquidity. So I was aware of that. But other than that, this was a pretty good trade, and holy shit. Yeah, maybe I could have held the runner. I'm gonna do that next time because yeah, this was a pretty good trade. It's not nice, it's good. But yeah, thanks brother. Where you been at? I haven't seen you all stream. I'm solo dolo. I've been on stream for like 2 hours, bro. Yeah, good trade regardless. I will like the stream. Please like the stream. I'll see y'all later. I'm gonna give it a couple of seconds. Milo, stop with your bitch ass. I think today my analysis was on point. It's just didn't want to give an entry at the breaker nor anywhere else. So good trade. No, it's all good, bro. It's all good. Um, I might not because tomorrow is the day before the 4th, which is Independence Day, and usually I don't trade days before holiday. So yeah, I will live stream though. I don't because I have time, but I don't think I'm gonna place a trade. Only if I see something really good. I'm not like today. I kind of forced something, which is like I didn't force it like as in like I was down bad, but in the sense where like my narrative was bullish and I took a sell. But I patiently waited regardless. So I think it's all good. But tomorrow I'll just be live streaming. I'm not sure I will place a trade. Just like I said, it's the day before holiday, so usually days like those are consolidation. And if it's straight up consolidating, I'm gonna just close the stream because there's no point in that. But yeah, yeah, bro. Peace. Like the stream, or I'm gonna come over and nothing.